What's up, guys? It's CJ here, Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you're ready to get some value and some good content here. I'm going to show you a free traffic source if you don't know how to drive traffic to your Maxbounty or whatever CPA network you're working with right now. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a website called Classified Ads. So, before we get started and we get into the method, I want to give you kind of a little mindset on what to do when you're typically looking for these CPA offers. Today we're going to promote a CPA offer called Rent to Own Listing. It's a 3-page submit, $2 per lead CPA offer. Now you got to think this is for people that want to rent a home or a chance to rent to own a home or get into a home. So you got to think in that mindset, what kind of person would want this type of offer? So it would be a person that's probably moving or looking for a resident to move into. So we would look in classified ads and we would look for rent and house for rent, and we would search in the general area and it'll show you these little posts right here. Now, if you look on my listing, I have a couple posts up already. This one has 12 views. This one has 5. This one has 3. This one has 5. This one has 8. This one has 3. Now, if you look inside these postings, you can post on classified ad as many times as you want. You don't have to worry about getting flagged. You don't have to worry about anybody calling your content spam or anything like that. So it's a really good way to get some good leads on autopilot for free. And the bonus part about it is you could link your landing page, or even, I wouldn't recommend it, but you could put your affiliate link in here. But as you see right here, I have my affiliate link right here to my bit.ly link, and that's linked to my landing page. And I give them instructions to watch a short video to set an appointment up to see whatever house and listing that they want to see, and we'll get to that in a minute. And when I click on the go button, it takes me to the affiliate offer. So I'll show you how I also got this content without even having to write or look up a script. So I would come to Craigslist and I'd find like a posting like this, something that's already relevant, and take it and make it my own. So I pretty much highlight all of this, and I would post it in my ad. And I've been working on this method for the past 2 days, and it's working pretty good for me. As you see, for it so far, I've already gotten, as you see, I got 10 leads with 95 clicks. And if you look at the creatives, 67 of them were search links and 8 leads. Content link was 17 and 2. And been using this method for the past 2 days, and like I said, it's been working pretty good for me. So like I said, you just typically go to classified ads, make you a post, and run traffic to your affiliate offer. Now if you want a full detailed if you want a full detailed run-in on how I ran these campaigns and how I promote mines exactly in what areas and how to find your major city areas to post in, click the link below this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you find this content informative, please like this video and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you. This is CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. I'm out.